Convection cooking. What is it? Why should it matter? And how much of a difference does it make? Hey everybody, A-Spec here, and today I have a little bit of an experiment. I'm going to be reheating pizza that we made ourselves that was kind of weird and soggy when it came out of our conventional oven in a countertop convection oven at my school. Stay tuned. Convection ovens generally cook food 10 to 15% faster, depending on the food you're cooking, than a conventional oven, and they also use less energy as a result. Using the convection feature on your oven helps with even browning, and that's why I used it today for my pizza reheating experiment. We put way too much milk in the pizza dough when we made it, so the crust was kind of soggy when it came out of the standard oven. So we ate it, we tolerated it, but I was just thinking, hey, why not use the convection oven at my school to heat the pizza up for my lunch? Alright everybody, it's A-Spec here, and this is a little experiment for me. I have pizza for lunch, and Mom packed me some pizza, and I found this countertop oven at my school, and I'm just going to try it and see if it works. And I know convection cooking is great for cooking pizza, because this is actually a convection oven. You can see there is also a pizza button, actually, specifically designed for cooking pizza. So I'm going to try to see if it works. So how I set it up, I just put the pizza directly on the rack so air could circulate around it. Close it up. 300 bake oven. So I'm going to just put it on 325. And I don't know how to engage the convection feature, but fan. Okay, that is. So I'm going to go 325. Now that's 350, 325, and just hit start. And as you can probably hear, the fan immediately started spinning, and I can see it's preheating. And inside the oven you can hear the fan running. So the convection feature is working, the oven is working. Alright, I have 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. I just set it for 5 minutes, and because that's what I usually heat pizza up for when if I heat it up in a full-size oven. And usually you have to reduce the temperature 25 degrees when you cook with convection. So I just used the normal temperature at 350 degrees, reduced it by 25, so you can see it's 325 degrees on convection for this. So I'll be back when it's finished. So this actually got cooked great. Yeah. Me personally, I might think it takes a little bit longer, but a compact convection oven is the way to go instead of a microwave if you're heating things like pizza. Alright, if you have any questions about convection cooking or anything else you'd like me to review, just leave them in the comments. And this is A-Spec signing out.